The EMA50 especially is at present at $0.001. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for Truly, especially is very critical. SPEL United States dollar fundamentally is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.009690, or so they thought. Bears control SPELs by and large current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 22 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through sort of SPEL Truly token cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for the most part SPEL token. Sort of is in a real sense SPEL a fundamentally wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL Truly token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 22 October 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through certainly SPEL commonly token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for sort of SPEL token, especially is in every practical sense. SPEL a very wise venture, which really is very critical. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the SPEL specialized examination, fundamentally let us in every way that really matters, discuss the essentially current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The sort of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $40,453,921,837, extremely further appearance how yet prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the SPEL specialized examination, especially let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, which really is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time period in a by and large significant manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 0.19 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, showing that SPEL United States dollar is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, which essentially is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very critical. These occasions sort of show that the market basically is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for certainly present moment, which in every practical sense is very critical. Right now, a truly genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. SPEL especially token help and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially enormous way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any exceptionally further in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors in a real sense move extremely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of truly SPEL, kind of token, SPEL, basically SPEL kind of symbolic execution, The cost of certainly spell truly token, spell, basically is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week in a by and large enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, so one-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while essentially all-out market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, or so they really thought. There fundamentally are practically 103,446,920,678 for the most part are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a very large manner. Spell fundamentally token value investigation truly spell cost examination for 22 October 2023 inside a truly everyday time period explicitly made sense of underneath, which basically is genuinely critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the spell token. Exhibiting how the extremely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $40,453,921,837, especially further appearance how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. While spell's Williams %R marker generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign for the most part is conceivable at this reach, or so they truly thought. The spell United States dollar moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, certainly is demonstrating a sort of present moment, for the most part sell kind of sign, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath beautiful sign line which in every practical sense implies fundamentally bears most certainly are overwhelming in the market in an unobtrusive way. According to the cost investigation, the spell cost may generally track down help at these vital degrees of $0.0008229, $0.000746995, moving beneath these levels could for the most part carry the cost to $0.0006849, which by and large is genuinely critical. On the exceptionally opposite side, the obstruction levels basically are at $0.0009690 and $0.001, pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a